Before cooking frozen bacon, try to separate the pieces. If you can't pry them apart easily, put the block of frozen slices in a skillet and warm them over low heat until they're soft enough to pull apart. You can also try defrosting them in the microwave on a plate lined with paper towels. Once you're able to separate the slices of bacon, cook them as you normally would. While there are lots of ways to cook bacon, the most common method is to lay out the strips in a single layer in a skillet and cook them over medium heat. Once the bacon starts to sizzle, turn the slices over every few minutes until they reach your desired level of crispiness. If you'd rather defrost the bacon ahead of time, transfer it to the fridge and leave it overnight to thaw. If you're in more of a hurry, place the sealed package of bacon in a container of cold water on your counter. This method may take as little as 15 minutes, but change the water every 30 minutes if it takes longer. You can also microwave the bacon on the defrost setting at 3-minute intervals until it is completely thawed.